In our first reading today, St. Peter reminds us that each one of us has received a gift, and we should use that gift to serve one another as good stewards of God's grace. St. Peter reminds us that we are expected to do what we are supposed to do. For that is what holiness means. Holiness is not just doing extraordinary things for God and for other people. Many times, holiness is found in simply doing faithfully what you are supposed to do. Kung ikaw ay isang magulang, maging mabuting magulang ka sa iyong mga anak. Kung ikaw ay mag-aaral, estudyante, mag-aral ka ng mabuti. Kung ikaw ay teacher, magturo ka ng mabuti. Minsan kaya nagkakagulo ang ating buhay, ang ating pamilya, ang ating mundo, dahil hindi natin ginagawa yung dapat nating gawin. At ang ginagawa natin, yung hindi natin dapat gawin. Teacher, dapat magturo, pero nagiging negosyante sa classroom. Leader, dapat ang iniisip ay kapakanan ng bayan, ng sambayanan, pero ang iniisip ay protektahan ang sarili at mga kaibigan. Kapag hindi natin ginagawa yung dapat nating gawin, at ang ginagawa natin ay yung hindi natin dapat gawin, magkakagulo ang ating buhay. And society suffers, the world suffers, families suffer, because we do not faithfully do what in the first place we should do.